How you doing, folks? Just want to give you a quick update on what's going on and where I'm at right now. Today's Monday, the 26th of July. My court hearing will be scheduled for my appeal. Will be scheduled for next Monday, August 2nd, 2021, at 1:30 p.m. at Cumberland County Courthouse, 1 Courthouse Square, Carlisle, PA, 17013. The district attorney's office, they sent me a letter, and I got this a few months, a couple months back, end of May. But this is how competent these people are, and the kinds of people we have working for our, the best of the best, But when I got this in the mail from M.L. Ebert, my summary was maximum speed limit. And there you see the two of the thug officers, Hillary, Faust, and Reese Matthews. And there's where it is, the date and stuff, so you can see that. I don't know, can you? Okay, there you go. But again, that's August 2nd, 2021, Monday, August 2nd, at 1:30 p.m. Courtroom 2. Courtroom number 2. If you have any questions or concerns, you can call the district attorney's office at 717-240-6210, or if you're from out of town, out of state, or out of the country, and you'd like to call them and let them know what a waste of money this is and the abuse of power that they're doing to drag me in on this kind of stuff. Just not. I mean, it should have just been thrown out to begin with. The amount of money they're wasting, paying his salary, paying the judge's salary, paying these. The whole thing's just absurd. It should have been thrown out. Any district attorney worth his salt would have looked at this and said, throw this out. But anyway, that's where we're at. I'm supposed to show up 15 minutes early and hand this to some sheriff, any uniformed sheriff on the 4th floor, to assist me in finding my courtroom. But again, it's courtroom 2. Toll free 1-888-697-0371, extension 6210. If you'd like to send a fax, 717-240-6164, or you can go with the ever-present email at districtattorney@ccpa.net. Again, that's districtattorney@ccpa.net. And that's what we got there. Now, when Lackluster put out the video, I know, things just blew up. It was crazy. I had emails from a lot of people suggesting that I, contact this person or that person, and this lawyer or that lawyer. And I did. I sent out emails to everybody that suggested I send somebody something. I did. Most of the people never responded. The ones that did basically said that they're not interested, they can't help at this time. ACLU and all these constitutional lawyers that I come across that kept looking, nobody wanted to help at all. And that still apparently is the case. But I know, and I appreciate, and I know a lot of you did call and make attempts at rectifying some of the situations, because I did the very next day after that video released from Lackluster Media. I come home from work, and there was a letter, or not a letter, but a form, a complaint form for the Pennsylvania State Police Internal Affairs that was attached to my mailbox, in an envelope attached to my unsealed envelope attached to my mailbox. But again, unprofessional. Nobody contacted me. Nobody left a business card and said, hey, contact me, such and such. But I took I filled out the stuff, sent it in. And I have yet to hear anything from that. Also filed a Freedom of Information Act request, but which they call, it's a right to know. I think what they call it here. It's basically a right to for them to do what they can to keep from giving you any kind of information. When I sent that in, they received it, and after close to like 30 days, they sent me a letter stating that they're going to need more time. So they kicked it down the road, another month or whatever it was, and then I got it, and it's basically a lot of nothing they sent me. And things that I really needed and really wanted to punctuate on, they came up with reasons why they don't have to give it to me. Apparently, the officer who assaulted me and started this whole thing, they still don't know who he is. They don't know. I wasn't specific enough in telling, asking who was assaulting, who assaulted Justin Bonowitz, or who was, it's just, the whole thing's nonsense. But again, it's just a reason for them to kick it down the road and come up with legalese to why they don't have to, give you anything. So it's just a lot of nothing basically. I also did file a complaint with the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania Judicial Board, Pennsylvania Judicial Center at 601 Commonwealth Avenue, Suite 3500, P.O. Box 62525, Harrisburg, PA 17106-2525. Sent them a complaint for Judge Day and how I was treated there, and this was a letter they sent back that they are in receipt of my complaint, and they'll look into it. But other than that, I haven't heard anything since. So, but that's even more than I got from my complaint. I have not heard a thing from the Pennsylvania State Police in regards to my complaint. Not even that they received it, that they're looking into, nothing. And like I said, I've had a lot of stuff with my vehicle in the past month and a half. It's just been so. As far as what else here, lawyers, like I said, I still don't have a lawyer. I come to the conclusion that, a lot of people had suggested when this first got posted that I set up a GoFundMe, and I did, and I had quite a few people that did donate, and I'm utterly humbled, honored, and thankful. But right now, I haven't set it up to my bank account yet, and I keep getting notices almost every day from GoFundMe that if I don't do it, I have till August 29th to set it up. The reason I'm reluctant to do it right now is because my fine for the disorderly conduct charge is $263, and that's with the extra charges and stuff that they tack on this shit. And I can't justify the lawyers that I talked to that would take my case. I'm looking at $2,000-3,000, and there's no guarantee even at that. And I need my money. I've got to come up with a vehicle directly. I can't justify spending some other people's money along with money that I don't have to spend on it. I can't justify that to fight for a $263 fine. So chances are, I don't know what I'm going to do next as far as taking this further. Like I said, I can't find a single lawyer who will help me, and I don't have the knowledge, to go through this. I don't know what I'm doing, and nor do I have the time to learn all this shit. So I don't know. I don't want to just be pissing in the wind. You know what I mean? I don't, I don't need the aggravation, and I didn't need it to begin with. But I want him to pay somehow. I would like to have him held responsible. So I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Like I said, I have till the 29th to decide. But as of right now, the chances are that I'm not going to do anything. So that money will be all be returned to those of you who were gracious enough to send me some help, and I do appreciate that more than I'll ever be able to tell you and show you. But I can't, like I said, I can't justify it to myself to spend money that I don't have, or other people's money, when I can't match it. So and I mean, I'm not great with math, but spending $2,000-3,000 to keep from being robbed of $263, that doesn't make a lot of basic common sense. So my hope is that I'll have a decent judge, and that he will be fair, and that he will we'll see how wrong this was, and if nothing else, reprimand them a little bit, and throw my case out. And if I can get that, I think I'd be satisfied. As long as this other person gets I want reprimands on him too. So again, anything, if you can post any kind of comments, suggestions, or anything, I'm still open to any kind of suggestions anybody might have. And if you can come support me, it would be great. Again, it's Monday, next Monday, August 2nd. The hearing will be at 1:30 in Courtroom 2 in Cumberland County Courthouse at 1 Courthouse Square, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. All right. Again, I thank you, people, and I will try to get you some updates as things go by, and more things that transpire here. Okay. Thank you. Peace. I'm out.